water is available. Terrestrial ecosystem means where the land is there. Aquatic ecosystem is water. So various types of aquatic ecosystem. Majorly three varieties of aquatic ecosystem is there. Freshwater ecosystem, transitional communities like then marine ecosystem. Transitional communities are in between freshwater and marine ecosystem. Freshwater ecosystem is standing waters like lakes and ponds, moving water like river and streams. Standing water like lakes, ponds, moving water, rivers and streams. Marine ecosystem is shorelines, barrier islands, coral reefs, open oceans. These are in salty condition, salty. Transitional communities, transitional ecosystem. These are in between freshwater and marine ecosystem. Best example is estuaries. Whenever river is entering into the ocean, sea, there estuaries are formed. River enter into the ocean. Actually, riverine ecosystem is the freshwater ecosystem. That water human beings may drink, but marine ecosystem, ocean ecosystem is saltwater ecosystem. Freshwater ecosystem, living beings like fishes, whatever it may be, biotic components are different. Marine ecosystem, biotic components are different. Whenever riverine ecosystem, river enter into the ocean, at this situation, some transition will be observed. That ecosystem is different, that is the estuaries. River water is the fresh water, ocean water is the salt water. In between that, transition communities. If suppose in between that some water is fresh water, some water is salt water. That ecosystem is different. That biotic factors are different. They can survive both fresh water and then ocean water, salt water. That is the transitional community. Best example for transitional communities, estuaries, wetlands. Wetlands means like this, nearer to oceans and then rivers. Swamps, marshy places, all these are transitional communities. Marine ecosystem is shorelines, barrier islands, coral reefs, open oceans. This is regarding aquatic types of aquatic ecosystem. Aquatic ecosystem, freshwater ecosystem, marine ecosystem. In between these ecosystem, transitional ecosystem is there. So suppose if we will see, food chain in the ocean ecosystem, phytoplanktons are food, producers in the ocean, zooplanktons, small zooplanktons, and then small fish, mackerels, snapperfish, large shark. So this is the food chain. It starts from phytoplanktons and then zooplanktons, herbivores, small fishes, primary carnivores, mackerels, secondary, tertiary, like this. This is the food chain. Food web. So energy from sun produces, then primary consumers, copepods, ocean sunfish, small shark, large shark, like that. This is the food web. Diatoms, shrimp, copepods, pteropods, ocean sunfish, amphibians, lanternfish, squid, mackerel. This is the food web, food chain and food web in the aquatic ecosystem. This one. Then wherever estuaries, mangroves are there, at that situation, see terrestrial and then aquatic ecosystem. Just now we discussed some wetlands, swamps, marshes are there like this. Here nearby here terrestrial ecosystem also there. And the bank of swamps, marshes, terrestrial ecosystem is there. At that time, what is the food chain and food web? See here, terrestrial land, salt, marshy plants are available nearer to bank. Aquatic plants and algae, snails, zooplanktons, fish, small fishes, insects. This is terrestrial. Rat, frog, fish, this is aquatic. After that, sparrow, duck, crane, snake, these are tertiary consumers from the terrestrial ecosystem. And then hawk. Here, see, you can see in the banks up here, birds will come easily and then catch the fish. Here, like here, from here also. So there is a link between terrestrial and then aquatic ecosystem, especially banks of the rivers and estuaries, wetlands, swamps, marshes. So what are the types of aquatic plants present? See here, suppose this is the bank of river or ocean, whatever it may be, or marshy place or wetlands. See, submerged plants are here, small shrubs, lotus, floating plants also there, emergent plants here, and then shoreland plants as well as terrestrial ecosystem. This is upland plant. See the types of aquatic plants present, from submerged plants to upland plants. In the banks of, from the submerged to bank of the river or any ecosystem, aquatic ecosystem. So this is the terrestrial ecosystem, there is the wetland ecosystem, this is deep water aquatic system. In the deep water aquatic ecosystem, producers are very low. Suppose generally high but sometimes low producers. Productivity is low to medium here, terrestrial system. Biochemical role. So here, see in the terrestrial ecosystem, productivity depends on the forest or grassland or desert, low to medium. Here wetlands generally high. Why? Here water is fluctuating, plenty amount of water is available, productivity is very high, but sometimes it depends on situation, it is low. But in deep water aquatic ecosystem, productivity is very less. Biochemical role, source. This is the major source for biochemical role because here decomposer composition is more. All the abiotic components are formed here due to degradation. Here, source from here, biochemical source is from the terrestrial ecosystem. These are the sink and transformed to the deep water ecosystem. abiotic components. Then hydrology. In the terrestrial ecosystem, water level is less dry on the soil. Here intermittently to permanently flooded. So this is nearer to deep water ecosystem, aquatic ecosystem. Hence, intermittently or permanently flooded. Water is coming and then going on. Here permanently flooded. Water level is more. So major nutrition comes from the terrestrial ecosystems to wetland. From the wetland fluctuating water level, all the nutrition goes to the deep water aquatic ecosystem also. But here import export of nutrition and biological species from deep water ecosystem to wetland ecosystem. Major nutrients are coming from the wetland ecosystem to deep water aquatic ecosystem. So from here, majority of the nutrients are coming to here. Because here producers are very less in the deep water aquatic ecosystem. So this is regarding aquatic ecosystem. So water actually, good water is the, potable water is the colorless, tasteless, odorless. That is essential to all forms of life. For survival of life, water is essential component, very important life. Just now we discussed aquatic ecosystem is classified into freshwater and then marine system. In between that transitional there. Freshwater ecosystem, lake and then ponds, riverine ecosystem. Here abiotic components are temperature, sunlight, organic and inorganic matter. Biotic components are producers, phytoplanktons and then microplanktons. Consumers are zooplanktons, insects, fish, herbivores. Decomposers are bacteria and fungi. Coral reefs also plays vital role in the aquatic ecosystem. This is regarding aquatic ecosystem. Meat, especially fish, is coming from the aquatic ecosystem. This is also sacrifice 15 to 20% of the food needs of the world. Nowadays, freshwater ecosystem as well as ocean water ecosystem also completely degrading due to pollution. By the way, their living composition, biotic components also facing problem, lot of problem with this. Because of, if aquatic ecosystem is degraded, first thing water will be polluted. Due to that, everything will be affected. Hence, every ecosystem we has to conserve. Each and every ecosystem we has to maintain properly. Otherwise, it will be degraded and affect it. Finally, due to biomagnification, it comes to us. Final victims are human being only. But whatever it happens, things are going on. Continuously, oceans and then rivers are degrading. Many action plans are going on, even though it is going on. Every individual has to take initiation to conserve aquatic ecosystem for us, for our survival only. Otherwise, there is no proper water, Now itself, whatever aquatic ecosystem, even globe is covered with 70 to 75% of the water. But for potable water is very less, only 3%, which are useful for drinking. On that also, fresh water is very less. On that also, majority of the water is polluted. Hence, we are facing, I mean, especially all the living beings are facing problem, but especially some situations for drinking purpose, domestic purpose, we are facing lot of problems. Whatever we are doing, finally it reflects to us, human beings. Hence, we have to take the initiation to conserve all varieties of ecosystem.